A beautifully made, brand new modern contemporary two-story home with its own dipping pool. We're here in a secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga, just a few minutes from Marquee Mall, Landers, and NLEX. This property is selling for $16.9 million, available via cash or bank financing. It sits on a 165 SKM corner lot with a 240 SKM floor area. Let's go. As we walk in, you'll see the two-car carport on the side. Inside, you're greeted by the living area, bright, inviting, and fully furnished with custom-made pieces. It flows seamlessly into the dining area, and right beside it is your kitchen with a breakfast nook, perfect for casual meals. Right next to it is the highlight of the outdoor space, the swimming pool, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Now, let's check out the ground floor bedroom. This room is perfect for guests, elderly family members, or even as an office space. There's also a cozy family area, nice spot for bonding, work, or entertainment. And just outside is the balcony, giving you a relaxing view of the neighborhood. Now let's head into the master bedroom. And as you can see, this space is super spacious. There's plenty of room for a king-size bed, a lounge area, and even additional storage if you want. And over here is the master's own toilet and bath, giving you full privacy and convenience. Let's move to the third bedroom. This room is spacious enough for a full-size bed and a study or work area. It gets good natural light, making it perfect for kids, guests, or even as a hobby room. Finally, let's check out the last bedroom. This one is bright, spacious, and has its own private balcony, perfect for enjoying fresh air or a quiet morning coffee. So for more information, feel free to contact us and we're more than happy to assist you.